You're not a clown. You don't play to the gallery. You don't take to social media in tears because of hurty feelings. You own your own mental real estate, and no one is living rent-free in your head. You don't waste your time and effort seeking the approval of strangers. And that's why you crush it. For that reason, you're not a clown. You're not a performer, you're a doer. You have learned to activate, to set in motion, to initiate. Instead of analysis paralysis, you insist on agency. And this may be because you've been failed by inaction in the past, and you know that sitting still is like pouring gasoline onto your pain. And that's why you crush it.